Where on earth is my phone? Not on the table, not on the couch. Where did it disappear to? Hey, so it's you playing that cat game on my phone. All right, mister, give me my phone. Oh, today is the last day of the year? I need to make a warm New Year's feast right away. Hi, everyone! New Year is right around the corner. Have you prepared your feast yet? Today, let's make creamy New Year mac and cheese together. First, cook the macaroni until it's al dente. Don't make it too soft. A little butter keeps the pasta from sticking together. Now comes the soul of the dish, the cheese sauce. Make a roux with butter and flour. Then slowly add milk to keep it smooth. In goes the cheese, cheddar, mozzarella. The more the merrier. Stir until the sauce becomes glossy and silky. Perfect. Add in the macaroni and mix until every piece is coated in that golden cheese. Bake until the top is golden, slightly crispy, and stretchy. A bit of parsley gives it that festive New Year vibe. And a New Year feast needs plenty of dishes. Let's try it!